and welcome to Monday. So Monday's Maths Challenge, as usual, up on the board, and I hope you realise that on Friday we had 2 pages of Maths Challenge. What does this mean? Well, the first page is the page that we do it together. Okay, so I do it in the video and then you guys can do it by yourselves. The second page is extra. The second page is where your brains really get to think about it and to have a go by yourselves. If you don't manage to do it or you have any problems, okay, please let me know. Okay, if you don't understand how to do something again, guys, you all know my phone number, my email, my everything. Let me know. So, let's get on to this. Let's have a look. Okay, I thought today we could start again with the multiplication and the division because I want you guys to start seeing that there is a pattern. Maths is all about patterns. So, let's get started. Okay, 2 groups of 2. Okay, 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2. How many do I have, guys? I have got 2, 4. So let's take this directly onto the other side, okay? I've got here 4 shared into 2 groups. 4, and I'm going to share it into 2 groups. Well, my group's already made. 1 group, 2 groups. How many do I have in each group, guys? 2. Can we see? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 shared into 2 is 2. Let's do the next one. If I have got 0, and can I have 0 into 5 groups? How many do I have? Well, guys, how many do I have? Nothing. Okay? Exactly the same on the other side. If I have got nothing, can I share it into 5 groups? Oh, no, you can't. You're quite right. So that's going to be a big fat 0 as well. Over this side, I want 3 groups of 10. It's going to take us a while to build it up, so keep with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 1 group of 3, 1 group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. And let's do another one just over here. 3, 5, 7, and 3 more, guys, makes 10. So, 3 groups of 10. Remember, we all know the rule. If I times anything by 10, I just take my number and I add my 0. Or I can count in tens. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Again, guys, if I've got 30 and I want to share it by 10, I have got here my groups already formed for me. Okay, how many do I have in each group? Well, let's have a look here. How many do I have in each group, guys? 3. Remembering as well our special trick of if I divide anything by 10, I'm just taking off the 0 on both sides. And the last one, okay? If I have got 2 groups of 5, let's see. I've got here 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So I've got here 2 groups of 5, 5 and 5. Guys, we can all do this on our fingers. We all know my answer is going to be 10. Let's take it over to the other side. If I've got 10, and I need to share it into 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups do I have? 2. Again, can you see how this works? 2 times 5 is 10. And here on this side, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So really, the multiplication and the division are related. They are family members. They go together, guys. Let's continue. Okay, we're going to continue with our tricky ones, with the magic ones that we've been doing so very well with. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is to put my arrow. Okay, the next thing, I know you're all shouting at me to do it. You're quite right, is to put 8 in my head and count up to 0. Can I count up to 0? No. I need to put my magic ones and a magic one here. I cross this out. 4 with an extra 1 is 5. 8 in my head, let's count up to 10. 8, 9, 10, 2. Again, 5 in my head, let's count up to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. That there is 3. Guys, you may ask yourself, why on earth does Miss Maria always end up touching her head and then counting on her fingers? It's basically so we don't end up jumping a number. Everyone jumps numbers sometimes, but if we touch our head and use our fingers to count on, we don't do that. Addition. Again, I start on this side. I take the biggest number in my head. 8 and no fingers. 8, no fingers. I have 8. Biggest number in my head, the 8 and 4 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, I put the 1 down here instead of up here because I don't have any more numbers. Okay? And the last 2 easy ones, which you guys can all now do in your sleep. If you do have any difficulties, please tell me. Okay? Again, I put my arrow so that I remember these numbers go into my head. I put 3 in my head and I count up to 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 3. 1 in my head and I count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. And I have got 2 more. Again, I am now doing an addition, so I'm looking for the biggest number. This side over here, 6, and I'm going to count 3 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. I have got 9. Okay? 3 in my head and I count 1 on. 3, 4. Right guys, I do hope that each time you're finding this easier and easier. If you are having any difficulties and struggling, again guys, just let me know, okay? Have a fantastic day. Bye.